friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a unique feature of FB Messenger to change theme of your chat. So if you want to change theme of your chat in FB Messenger, first of all just open your FB Messenger. Open your FB Messenger. Now what you have to do, just open the person's any person's and click on the I button. Just click on I button. Now here you will see theme option. Just click on theme option and just select any of one of them. So like this you can change theme on chat theme on your FB Messenger. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.